If you're working with MCP, I'm pretty sure you're aware that working with a capability in one MCP client doesn't automatically mean that that capability is going to be supported in another. And when you're building an MCP server, that can become a problem. This is why I want to introduce you to caniuse.dev. It's a capability matrix that lets you compare MCP capability across different clients. You select the clients you want to compare, and you can search the capability, field, or description in the search bar. For example, let's type elicitation. We can see in the results that none of them support it. And I really like this because it tells me two important things. First, whether or not I can rely on this capability for every client I want to support. And second, if I need to create a fallback for those clients where that capability is not available. So before building a workflow around an MCP capability, make sure that capability is supported by the clients your users actually run.